This movie is going to explain a little bit about how the block application works, and this is actually something found in the solutions folder. And what I have on screen here is some text with that has been grouped together so that when I select it, the whole thing selects. And this is actually text that's been converted to contours or lines and arcs here, so it shows up as blue and red. So with this selected, let's say for whatever reason I might want to have a rectangle that just covers the outside of this selected shape. I can come up here to the block menu or to the menu here. I'm going to say I'm always going to let this run. And I see here I've got no offset value selected. So I'll hit create and it just creates a rectangle around my selected text. Now if I were to delete that, and then let's come back here and choose the block application again, I can put a value of 0.5 in here as an offset value for the X and the Y, and hit create, and it will create the same rectangle shape that it's an offset from the part a little bit. Now if I was to come in and ungroup this, so now each individual letter is grouped, and if I come back here and hit block, and this still has the offset values there, it will offset each of these individually. So if everything's grouped together, you will get a rectangle around the whole bigger part, and if they're ungrouped, each individual grouping will be taken into account. And where I might use this is for instance, say if I'm going to create a profile that I'm going to use to create a 3D surface, I can use this block tool to quickly go here and create a little bit of a, let's put 0 back here and hit create. Now I've just created a little rectangle around the shape, and I can go in here and easily modify this, say convert this to curve, and make some modifications that I might want to do, just I like to use this rectangular shape to help with that. So this is just a way to quickly come in there and create a block around a selected object.